Wait, so how'd you do your math?
I just multiplied it and like I found that people were making mistakes like Martha and they were adding zeros over numbers.
So why didn't you add?
I didn't add that.
But if we're, there's always a decimal in the number because it could be 0.0000.
But if we're trying to do a multiplication problem, then why would we need to add? I never know a time when we need to add.
Because once you, it's kind of like, it's stuff without decimals, you know, 2 by 2.
Oh, so there's always a decimal, so my rule can't apply too. That makes sense.
Okay, yeah, it's kind of like you said that, why is there adding an multiplication? And like, even though this isn't 2 by 2 multiplication, like we learned earlier, it's kind of like that because you add what you got from both numbers like this. You don't multiply everything by 10. You do a 0 for all the numbers and then cross that out. Do a placeholder and then you do 1.
Then my answer is incorrect too. I made the same mistake.
Reading yours, I saw that the decimal just moved one that way. They're in the same place because the 0.
I didn't do anything with, so I don't do anything, I don't know, this is my personal thing, but I don't do anything with the decimal until I get the final answer after I've added everything up. And then I move it either 2 places to the, you have 2 places to go.
Do you guys understand how you're both saying the same thing, but you're just doing it differently?
Because I think what she's saying is she keeps the decimal where it is, and then she moves it one place to the right instead of not doing anything with it till the end.
Because we're multiplying by 10.
So correct me if I'm wrong, Isabel. You don't actually do the long multiplication like Brady does. Is that correct?
Yeah, because it's pointless because you just put all zeros there. And
Right.
Nothing to add.
So both ways correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Both ways get you to the right answer. But Brady, you might want to think about Isabel's way just by making it simpler. But what I need for you to understand is that as long as you know where the decimal point goes and how to move the decimal based on the process that you're doing, it's fine for you to do it however you want. Okay? Ideally, you'll get to the point where you're like, oh, okay, so anytime anything's multiplied or divided by 100, I can just use the decimal, whether, we're multiplying or dividing. So tell me, what did you come up with for a rule or a statement that you can use when multiplying by powers of 10? What statements did you come up with?
Well, I figured out that my answer was wrong just by Brady's answer, but my rule was if you have a decimal at the end of a whole number, you add it before the decimal but after the whole number, and if you just have a regular whole number, then you just add a 0.
So does that still work even though you had an incorrect answer? What do you guys think? Yeah? Do you agree with him?
My rule was more general. I remember like the 0 and 5. If you're doing 10, like whatever number you're doing to the power of, it has the amount of zeros that. So if you're doing 10 to the power of 1, it has 1 0. 10 to the power of 2, 2 zeros, and then like.
Oh, so how many zeros is how many times you basically use the decimal point to the right.
So based on that, it should be simple for us to figure out the answer if we did 84 and 1500 times 1,000.
Yeah.
Because 1,000 would have how many zeros?
3.
3 zeros. So we would move the decimal how many spots?
3.
3 spots. Right. 3. Oh, see, this is where you use your vocabulary so much better than I do. 3 places to the right. Absolutely. Brady, is that making a little sense to you? Yeah. Okay. Again, I appreciate your use of vocabulary there, Isabel, and all of your hard work on this question. I know that it's not simple, but I feel like we're really getting it. How are you feeling about this concept in general?
I feel like I'll need to change right now.
You're ready to move on to something else?
I need to fix this.
To fix on this. Okay, gotcha. So some of you are ready to move on to something else. Some of you are working on this. Okay. Very good, Graham. I appreciate that. Okay. All right. So enough of that. Basically, what I need for you to do now is to fill out your rubric and your reflection, which is on the back of your paper, and then you can work on your math project. Okay?
So if you're going to use a word form, you would have to make sure that decimal is also a symbol for and. So if you have put it in word form, it would be 66 and 137,000 because the last digit.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, because you have to say, like, it would be the actual digit. So, but she got confused about how to actually write it in word form. So I had to tell her that it would be easier to say the symbol of less or the decimal. And also and so 36 and 476,000 because you have to raise the last digit.
Okay. And anything that goes to the right of the decimal means the TH at the end. Okay, good. Do you mind if I'm
I'm getting better.
So you're feeling more comfortable with word form, she's feeling more comfortable with expanded form. Interesting. So what things would that to again? Yeah, now see, just don't forget that there's no ones here. This is the same problem as we're looking for having. You have a one on this side, but not on this side, so tens, hundreds, thousands. So whenever you write it out, just skip that first. You don't look at it. Looks like you're getting it. Happen here. Well, if you look just like this one up here, do the same format with that one down there, you should be good. Mackenzie, are you finished now?
Yeah.
And you can start working on your math project. Once you guys are finished, you can work on your math project as well. I'd like for you to do your homework, please. Oh, absolute value. You know, I found a video for absolute value that you might want to work on for homework tonight. I'll put the link on Classroom. If I forget, remind me at the end when we're going over the homework, okay? Okay, Rhonda. So I called you over because I wanted to talk to you about it. After we met yesterday, did you get a chance to look at the place value stuff you did last night? Okay, and how are you feeling about it? Still kind of iffy? Okay. I just want to go over a couple things. You don't have to write anything out. We're just going to talk about it just so I can get an understanding of kind of where you are. So let's just randomly, we'll just take number 6. Okay, so when you look at this, can you read this number for me?
9,
So it sounds like you improved there a little bit with your place value. Remember that there was TH thousandths place. So we've got the tenths, the hundredths, the thousandths. Okay. What place value is this? 6 cents? The tenths! Yay! Good job! You learned it. Very good. I'm proud of you. Okay. And let's just do another couple more just to check. What about this one? Tenths. And this one? Yay, good job. All right, so I feel pretty good about this. How do you feel about this? Better? Okay, let me see your math goals just while I have you here. Okay, so since you've mastered that, you've moved on to comparing decimals?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. What do you plan to do to help you with that?
I'm working on Khan Academy because I found great exercises.
Okay, and then what's your final product to be?
Because it's kind of like a game show, but you can like pick out the answers from people.
Okay. Don't forget to include your learning of this in your product because this shows your growth throughout the week. There may be others that need some help with this as well. Okay? All right, good job. Boys and girls, I have to tell you, we are a lot further ahead than I expected us to be at this point in this week. I appreciate your hard work, both at home and here at school. A couple of things I want to make note of. First of all, I saw you helping each other out a lot today, and I really greatly appreciate that. I saw people making a few silly mistakes, which you know me, the mistakes that I always make, it kind of makes me giggle. But we learn from them and we move on, right? And we've shown significant growth this week. I saw a lot of people using math vocabulary, which since that's been a goal of ours for the past few weeks specifically, I was proud to see that. What I need for you to do now is to think about where you are in terms of understanding the place value system. Okay? Where are you in terms of reaching the goals that you set for yourself on Monday? What do you need to do to get to that goal by Friday? That's your goal, right? To get your goals by Friday? Okay? Think for a second. Where are you and what do you need to do? What are your next steps? Go ahead and share with someone at your table, please.
Thank you.
We'll clean it this afternoon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, boys and girls, now that you've had a chance to chat about it, I need you to do 2 things for me. First, I need you to adjust your math goal. What is it you're going to be working on for the remainder of the week and specifically for homework tonight? Okay? What can you do tonight in your 20 minutes or so of math work to help you be successful in reaching the understanding of the place value system? Once you've adjusted your goal in your document, I want you to post a comment on the post in Google Classroom that shows a reflection of your work today. So whether that's a question you still have, something that you're struggling with, an aha moment that you had today, something that's clicking for you now, something that you need help with, any of those things, post it right there. Yes, ma'am.
Can you post the link to the video?
Oh, thank you for reminding me. It's Rachel and Jackie. Jackie, I found absolute value. An absolute value video that I told Rachel would be really helpful for your goals. So I'm going to post it to Classroom. So if you want to just write that that's what you're doing for homework tonight, that would be acceptable. And then Tyler, Lucy, and Mackay. Tyler, where's Lucy? Lucy. I assigned you something on Stride Academy, so you can go ahead and adjust your goal, but I have something specific that I want you to do on there tonight. Okay? All right, so again, the rest of you, adjust your goal and then post a comment reflection on this link in class.